Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's recipe, I will show you how to make egg roll, one of the most popular snacks we have in Nigeria. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by hitting that red place that says subscribe and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So now let's get started. And for the ingredients, I have my cooked egg, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder. In here I have salt and nutmeg, butter, one raw egg, milk, and lastly vegetable oil for frying. I will start by sieving in the purpose flour, and the list of the ingredients will be in the description box below. After that, now I will add the baking powder, sugar, salt and nutmeg, and I will mix all these dry ingredients thoroughly. After that, I will add in the butter. With my clean hand, I will mix it together with the flour until a crumble is formed. After that, I will create a hole in the middle and add the egg, the milk. The milk, I will be adding it bit by bit until I get my desired consistency. And I will mix everything together. And this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Not a strong dough and not soft. And after that, I will transfer it to a working surface and I will knead for some minutes. And you don't have to over knead this dough. Now I will leave it to rest for 10 minutes while I will prepare the oil for frying. In a clean dry pan, I will add in my sunflower oil. You can feel free to use any oil of your choice. Okay, back to the dough after 10 minutes. I will spread some flour on the working surface to prevent the dough from sticking to the surface. Now I will be dividing it into 6. To flatten up the dough, I will use my palm, just this way, or you can also use dough roller to do this, whichever way that is easier for you. So after that, I will take one of the boiled egg and place in, and I will try to seal it up with the dough. And make sure you seal it very well so that it doesn't burst open when frying it. So I will repeat the same process till I'm done with the dough. Try to seal it. Just this way. I will take off the excess dough. So I will try to seal it up very well. Very important. And there we have it. I will also repeat the same process with the last one. Please, as you are watching, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Okay? Okay, and here I have them ready. So now that the oil have heated, I will start the frying. And very important, you have to control the temperature of the oil. The oil should not be very hot and should not be very low. It just has to be in between so that your egg roll will cook very nice inside and outside. So I will flip the egg roll to the other side and fry until I get my desired brownness. And when they are done, I will take them out and place them on top of a kitchen paper to absorb excess oil. And this egg roll tasted so delicious, and it reminded me back then in Nigeria. So friends, if you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell when you subscribe. Okay, and here we have the egg rolls ready. So right now, let's see how it is inside. Wow, can you just see that? So beautiful. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.